Hello, my name is Andy Renner. I'm the athletic trainer at Alton High School in Alton, Illinois, and a member of the Southwestern Conference Athletic Trainers. I want to welcome you to the virtual portion of our 9th annual summer seminar. Just to explain the logistics of the event, you should find the 4 recorded presentations on our YouTube channel. On each presentation, there will be both a short quiz and speaker evaluation for you to complete. Those links can be found in the comments section of each individual video. Upon completion of those assessments and payment, you will receive a link to the overall virtual program evaluation. Once that is completed, you will receive your CEU certificate via email. All of this helps us to comply with BOC standards and will help us to improve our other events going forward. Before you begin your educational journey with us, I'd like to briefly introduce you to our speakers, as well as to let you know that all of our speakers have declared no financial gain or conflict of interest. Additionally, you can find the virtual program link in the comments section of this video. Our first virtual presentation is from Dr. William Orr. Dr. Orr has completed his fellowship in pediatric cardiology at St. Louis Children's Hospital and Washington University School of Medicine. He currently serves as the medical director of the Exercise Physiology Lab, as well as the associate director of Pediatric Cardiology Fellowship Program at Washington University in St. Louis. Dr. Orr has clinical interest in COVID-19 surrounding sports participation and return to play. He is currently investigating multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children, along with Kawasaki disease and their relationship. His presentation title is COVID and the Pediatric Heart: How to Return to Play Safely. The second presentation will be from John Hoschettler. A doctor of athletic training, John is the supervisor of athletic training outreach for Greater Regional Health in Creston, Iowa. He has practiced as an athletic trainer in the secondary school setting for over 10 years and has been published twice in the Journal of Athletic Therapy and Training. He has previously presented for us upon sickle cell trait. This year, he will expand upon that topic as possible treatments by presenting emergency oxygen use in pre-hospital care. Our third presentation will be from Dr. William Dill. Dr. Dill joined Logan University in 2021 as an assistant professor and clinical education coordinator for their Master's in Athletic Training program. Over his 18-year career, he has worked clinically in various settings from high school to professional sports and keeps his skills sharp by continuing to work in the field in his spare time. For our virtual portion of the event, he will present to us IV fluid. Should athletic trainers use IVs in clinical practice? The final presentation is from Nikki Hoffman. Dr. Hoffman is an assistant professor at Illinois State University. Her main focus of research has been on concussion recovery and acute sleep disturbances in youth athletes. She recently has been able to work with Illinois State University's Student Health Services to ensure ISU athletes can undergo full comprehensive concussion evaluation to better manage the injury. Dr. Hoffman's presentation is titled Importance of Sleep and Optimal Physical Activity Levels After Concussion to Improve Symptom Burdens. In closing, I want to thank our speakers for their efforts in presenting and their commitment to bettering healthcare by doing so. We would like to thank Memorial Hospital in Belleville, Athletical Physical Therapy, Logan University, and the Illinois Athletic Trainers Association. With their support, we are able to keep costs low for all of you. Most importantly, I want to thank you for registering for our events. If you ever have any questions or issues, please reach out to us via email, swcatcs@gmail.com. Again, that is swcatcs@gmail.com. You can continue to find out more about our events on Twitter, Facebook, and the World Wide Web. Our address on the World Wide Web is swcathletictrainers.com. Thank you and enjoy the presentations.